The last time we will see Suge Knight, most likely for
a long time.
A long time, unless you're going to visit him in prison. This was it. He was in court for his official sentencing. We told you, of course, we broke the story that he struck a plea deal and was sentenced to 28 years in prison.
But that's not going to be the full amount he serves. I think it's around 10 years
It'll be,
plus.
yeah, just over 10 years.
He's been in jail now. He's been incarcerated for like 4 years.
Yeah, it's coming up on 4 years. But he was in court this morning, and his victim, Terry Carter's family members were in court and read some of their victim impact statements. And then it was time for Suge to say goodbye. The judge gave him some instructions, then he got up to leave the court. Now, you know that Suge Knight had a reputation as a fairly menacing guy. Well, we're not sure exactly who he's looking at, but that final stare before he walked out, certainly spoken to people who were in court, and it struck them as...
Do they have any idea who he was looking at?
There were, now, the victim's family members were there, but there were several other people in court, and perhaps his son was there he was looking at. Don't know for sure, but...
I mean, it could have been any family members. It could have been anyone. I mean, but this is Suge's last time for quite some years so that we're going to see him.
You know, Raquel was talking to him yesterday for a story, and she passed the phone over to me, and, you know, he is just really
he's still adamant
that this was self-defense, that people were out to kill him in that parking lot. So he's just like reliving this over and over and over again because he was going on and on and on. But
well, you know, I'm sure he's planning.
He's planning an appeal. Absolutely,
right.
He's planning an appeal.
Well, and actually, he gets an appeal with this. Normally, you generally don't get appeals when you get plea deals. But Suge got a different case scenario about the situation. He gets the appeal very shortly.